Good evening, classmate. Good evening, Professor Anderson. Today we are going to present our IMRAD style, the method section. Let's remember that we belongs to the topic of call, design, and usage on the strategy of portfolio. With you today, Lady, Judy, and Fabian. So what we are going to have in this presentation today, we are going to remember what is a method, what are the characteristics of a method, the presentation of the article selected and its method, and the process of analysis and comparison that we made between the theory and what we found on the article.
Thank you, Fabian. Yes, guys, so we would like to start with the explanation of what is method. So we found, according to a scientific research report, that method section tells reader how to conduct your study. It includes information about the population, sample, method, and requirement. The goal star, or the most important of the method section, is that should enable readers to duplicate your study. It means that method section typically use subheadings that are written in past tense, and they use a lot of passive voice. This is typically a least read section of an IMRAD report. And then during this article, the title is The Effect of Call Computer-Assisted Language Learning Towards the Student's English Achievement and Attitude. The authors were Ashrifar, Sita, Vaganese, Amirs, among others. The year of publication was 2020, and the main objective is to find out whether or not the call affects the student's achievement, to find out the student's attitude in learning English by using call, taking into account that they're working with different aspects like personality, knowledge, technology, and arts. So all of these is intended to work with call during the whole research, in which my classes are going to talk to you later.
Thank you, Lady. Now let's focus on the method of the article. So of course we have the population, sample, method, instruments, and equipment. So to start, the population belongs to a university in Indonesia. For this study, the researcher took the first year students from a course called SMKN1, and it was developed between 2019 and 2020. The method used in this research was quasi-experimental design, and the instruments used to collect data were a pre-test and post-test. And finally, the equipment used was first SPSS, which stands for a statistical package for the social sciences, and computers, of course, Excel, and internet.
Perfect. So relating to the analysis and comparison between the method structure, let's remember that a method, according to the gold standard, should include the population, the sample, the methods, the instrument, the equipment, the use of passive voice, and writing in past tense. So those are the items or the criterion that we should include in a method. The article methods accomplish with all these criterion, and they are stated in the article. Probably we are not going to find them easily in a specific category, but through the reading, we can analyze and we can identify this item into the article selected. In addition, here we have the reference of the article that we choose for this activity and the one related to the method. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.